Roatan is a great place to live. You can check out some of the properties that are currently available for sale right here on the Roatan Travel Network Real Estate Guide.
Boasting flat terrain, easy road access, and adjoining the beach, this property offers both convenience and serenity. The site is already equipped with power, making it ready for your development plans. Imagine creating your ideal community retreat on this expansive lot, surrounded by lush greenery and the vibrant community of Sandy Bay. Lot 9 is a spacious half-acre beachfront property surrounded by lush tropical landscaping with an incredible Caribbean Sea view. This exceptional offering also includes a design from one of the most prestigious architectural firms in Latin America, Paliar. Also included is a boat slip. This is a rare opportunity for those seeking an upscale island lifestyle that blends privacy, comfort, and direct access to the open water. This modern, fully furnished villa is designed for comfort and style, featuring high-end finishes, open-concept living spaces, and breathtaking tropical surroundings. Located within the exclusive Ocean One community, Villa 7 provides private beach access, a resort-style pool, and 24/7 security for a seamless island lifestyle. Just minutes from West Bay Beach, dining and entertainment, this villa offers both privacy and convenience. Experience island living at its finest in this newly built 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, featuring a bright open-concept design, soaring ceilings, and seamless indoor-outdoor flow. This home is a perfect blend of modern comfort and tropical charm. Enjoy your own private pool and sun deck, perfect for lazy afternoons or entertaining under the stars. The spacious primary suite and guest rooms each offer privacy and comfort, while the community's pristine beaches, expansive community dock space, and calm Caribbean waters are just steps away. With a prime roadside location, Coconuts offers high visibility and steady traffic from locals and tourists. This vibrant venue features a fully equipped kitchen, spacious bar area, indoor and outdoor seating, and a relaxed island vibe that keeps guests returning, and it's ideal for hosting live music, events, or casual dining, with space to grow and personalize. The large lot, at 0.38 acres, with no restrictions, is ideal for restaurant expansion, homes, or condos. Blue Island Divers Resort is a turnkey oceanfront dive resort for sale, offering a thriving business with an excellent reputation. The property features a 2-bedroom owner's residence, 4 guest rentals, a dive shop, clubhouse with dive bar, restaurant, and a 300-foot pier with dock platform. Facilities include full scuba gear storage, workshop, gift shop, and strong infrastructure. The sale includes 2 dive boats, full scuba rental equipment, compressor with nitrox blending, and affiliations with PADI and SSI. This is a rare chance to step into a profitable, fully equipped resort business in Roatan.
Thanks for watching the Roatan Travel Network's Real Estate Guide. We hope you discover your perfect island dream home.